Hi, what's going on? This is Mpamakume, aka Poster from PosterTrades. Yeah, those two videos were something else one day. Now that you've watched the introduction to Forex trading and you pretty much know everything that you need to know about Forex brokers, at this point, you're pretty much ready to enroll for our foundational Forex trading course that's valued at 1,500 rands, but I'm giving it to you for absolutely free as a thank you for watching my videos to this point. I really appreciate it, and I just want to show you some gratitude. And also, I really think that you should watch these videos as many times as possible just to make sure that you didn't miss anything. So, as I was saying, you're now ready to enroll for my foundational Forex trading course that's valued at 1,500 rands, but let me say it again, I'm giving it to you for absolutely free. Now, the reason behind the name Foundational Forex Trading Course is very self-explanatory. This course forms the foundation of information that you will need to build your Forex trading career on top of. Look, even if you don't continue your Forex educational journey with PosterTrades after finishing this course, it will still have prepared you to go into the Forex trading industry with the type of frame of mind that is ready to learn any trading strategy from anyone or anywhere, even if it's not from PosterTrades. Look, you are not obligated in any way by taking this course. I hope we are clear on that point. Cool. Now that's that, let me show you what you will get from this course. And then I'll show you how to enroll into it for absolutely free. Let's go. Oh, but before we go anywhere, please make sure that you have notifications from the website turned on. This is to make sure that you get notified whenever we release any new information on the website. It could be trading ideas, it could be trading signals, updates on the signals, or it could even be new videos. So please make sure that you subscribe here on the website and on the PosterTrades YouTube channel. Alright, so as I was saying, this course is divided into 3 parts. Those consist of very short but very informative videos. There is absolutely zero bullshit in these videos. I go straight into the information, and when there's no more value to squeeze out of the topic, I stop the video and we move on to the next one. Alright, so as I mentioned before, the course is divided into 3 sections. Section 1 is called Forex Trading Building Blocks. So apart from the obvious things, those you are going to need to start trading, obvious things such as a computer, an internet connection, and probably a phone, these Forex building blocks are more focused towards educating you about the digital things you will need to have and to know about for you to trade Forex. If I could summarize it, these are things such as everything you need to know about Forex brokers. We want to make sure that we connect you with the best brokers for South African traders. I'm talking about brokers who are, first of all, authorized financial services providers, regulated by the FSCA, and who have active FSCA numbers, those you can actually check on the FSCA website. FSCA is the new and improved FSB, which stood for the Financial Services Board. It is very important that the broker you trade through is FSCA regulated. I cannot stress this point enough, and even if I could, I'm even thinking of inviting somebody from FSCA to come and explain to us the importance of this matter. And then besides the regulation, we want you to trade with brokers those have offices here in South Africa. And then there's the spread of the broker. This is basically how much the broker charges you to trade through them. There are many other things we look at, but these 3 are the most important ones. And then the course goes deep in teaching you about the trading platform that we use. It's called MetaTrader 4. You are going to learn how to download it, install it, and log into it. And obviously, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Then we're going to go into the basics of trading. This is where I teach you about all those things that traders like to make themselves sound smart by mentioning, while they're actually not that smart, because kids in grade 4 can also learn these things without experiencing any problems whatsoever. However, knowing and understanding these things is of paramount importance. Once you understand them the way I explain them to you, it's going to be like you took the longest blink, and when you open your eyes after that blink, you see the world much differently. Kind of like Neo in the Matrix. You did. And then lastly, I leave this section for last, but you must actually watch it first. This could very easily be the most important section out of the 3. That's because this is the section that holds everything together and makes the whole process manageable for you. But not only that, this is the section that also holds the component that will allow you to build capital for your trading account, because at the end of the day, you can learn all the forex that you want and master all the strategies out there, but unfortunately it's useless if you don't have the funds to put all that information to good use. Even if you do have the money, here at PosterTrades, we are highly against you trading forex using money from your own pocket. We think it's better on many levels that you only trade using your commissions, those we paid you. That way, we are 100% that you will be trading using money that you can afford to lose. Because the thing that makes PosterTrades is that here we want to make forex trading as risk-free for our clients as possible. And besides, who doesn't like making money from free money? Hello? But on a serious note though, that is the number one way of keeping forex risk-free. And risk-free is the only way that I want to see you trading. So yeah, make sure to enroll for this course. All you need to do is to go onto our homepage, just click on the send coupon button and enter your name. I'll just pick up a new name because I'm going to register a new account. I'll just call our new guy name, and I will enter his email address and click on send coupon. He will be led to this beautiful page. That will be his discount coupon there at the bottom. He will receive an email from PosterTrades welcoming him into the family and giving him his discount code. Just copy the discount code and go back to the PosterTrades website to continue the registration process. Once we're back at PosterTrades, we will just click here on Get Started and choose the Prospect Star Plan that is worth 1,500 rands. You will be met by a registration form that you need to fill out. Just complete it as per requirement. Paste your coupon code over here. Read the terms of service and accept them. And then you will notice there at the bottom that the payment that was required was 1,500 rands. But because of the coupon, you will get a discount of the same 1,500 rands, meaning that you will not have to pay anything. Go ahead and click the register button. And there, congratulations, you're successfully registered into PosterTrades. But if you try to log in immediately, you will notice that your account needs to be approved first. So yeah, that needs to happen. However, after I approve your account, you will be able to easily log in and continue as planned. This is the inside of our new account. As you can see, this is the format in which your information will appear. Cool, now let's go get enrolled in that foundational forex trading course. Just come here to products, click on courses, and there it is, foundational forex trading course. Just click on it and voila, just like that, you are already enrolled. But an easier way to access the lessons is just to hover your mouse above my account and click on my campus. It will take you to this dashboard and click on my courses. Now this will be your private area where you will only see the courses that you are enrolled in, so as to not clutter your space with things that you do not want to enroll in and do not want to even see. So yeah, that's it. As I said, I'm giving you this course for absolutely free as a thank you for watching my previous 2 videos. And now that you registered as a new member on PosterTrades, well done, congratulations, and welcome to the family. It is literally as easy as that. Now that I've shown you how to register and enroll, I'll be waiting for you in the members area. So that's it from me for now. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now, and I will see you on the other side. Peace.